Hi, welcome back. So today I'll be unboxing the accessories of the Galaxy Buds Pro and the buds itself. So the accessories that I've gotten with it is the Samsung wireless charger, the free case, and the main Buds Pro. First, let's look at the boxes of these stuff. This is the free case, as you can see, pretty non-branded and pretty lame box. This is the wireless charger, which is pretty heavy. The box is pretty good, I don't mind. And these are the Buds Pro, which I'm mainly excited for. Look at it, there's some texture, and you see the light reflection, which is pretty cool. And if you feel the boxes, there's a little bit of a good feeling when you go past the Buds, the Samsung logo, and the name part. So, first up, let's unbox the free case. Look at this packaging underneath the free case that you get for a Buds Pro. You get one for the top part and one for the bottom. Not clearly visible, but I'll show you later. But look at the way they've packaged these. Like literally they just said that they're removing the charger to save the environment, and you see this. You see this, which is complete plastic. Can't they just put the thing into one bag? No. Let's hurt the environment. Yeah, that's that. Nothing else inside this box. That's it. A whole junk of plastic. And now for the wireless charger. Here it is. The Samsung wireless charger. Oh my god. Oh! Surprise, surprise. So, you get this wireless charger down here. This wireless charger looks pretty clean. There's barely any branding on the top, as you can see. And at the back, it's just written Samsung. What else do you get in the box though? You get this thing, you get a quick start guide, and you get a charging brick, which is rated for at most 15 watts, which is pretty damn good. But should I tell you something? Look how they've packaged the USB cable. Type A to Type C. Look at this. So much plastic. What's the point? And I'm pretty surprised that they've included a charger. But unfortunately, this is not the charger that my country uses, which is pretty weird. So I get the cable, I get the charger, get the main wireless charger itself, and Now, let's put these all aside. And let's unbox the main thing, the Galaxy Buds Pro. Have a look at the box again. Side it says Galaxy, other side it doesn't, but whatever. Look at this. Active noise cancelling, 5 to 18 hours of playtime, which I will test in my full review, which is going to be coming up in about a month. And let's unbox this. After a lot of effort, I finally removed the seal, and the buds just fall off like this. Damn. Oh, this looks so grand. Look at this. Look at this box. So here I get a USB cable, I think. Look at how it looks. Let's look at it. Plain. And then when I open it, okay, feels super premium, not gonna lie. I get something in here, which I will find out soon. Okay, what is this? Oh, these are the ear tips for the Buds Pro. Good. I'll keep them in the box. This is the type A to Type C cable, which I unfortunately won't be using since I already have one. And one with my phone too. And these are the Buds Pro. Look at this. Colored. I've got the Phantom Violet version. Look at how cool it looks. Should I take this out now? Oh, it just slides out like that. So these are the Buds Pro. These are the Galaxy Buds Pro. Look at the color. On camera it may not be that visible, but look at it, look at this, look at the texture on it. It's completely matte. And it's super clean look. and it fits into your hand really easily. And has a cable here too. So let's open it up. Oh damn. These look so good. These look pretty dang colorful, not gonna lie. Look at this, look at the color on it. In real life, trust me, this looks so good compared to the video that you're watching right now. Put this down. Look at how nice these look. Let's put them back in and let's try to pair them to my phone to see how it sounds. There you go, getting ready to connect. Searching for wearable devices. Galaxy Buds Pro. Perfect. Yep. And it's an app for the Galaxy Buds Pro that I have to download. Apps to install. Congrats on your new Galaxy Buds Pro. Agree? Allow. Look at this. You're all set. Oh, this looks good. This app looks so good. 100%, 63%. Okay, fine. So, let's look at this. Let's try these on, and this will be my first impressions. This is the right one, is it? It is the right one. Yep, it is the right one. Okay, so I'm wearing the Buds Pro right now, and I can barely hear myself. I can barely hear myself talking, so sorry if I'm talking too loudly. So here, let's play some song, shall we? Okay, I just changed the ear tips, and damn, these sound really good. These sound excellent. And yeah, I actually can't wait to use them long term. I was playing music on my Google Home just now at a pretty high volume and I couldn't hear it because the ANC is super good. Okay? And that's it basically for the first impressions. These sound pretty amazing to me, who has not used any wireless earphones ever. Except for and I've only tried the AirPods Max and the XM4s at the store. So these are pretty good. That's all I can say. And thanks for watching this video. Please like and subscribe and watch more content. Thank you. Bye.